I'm Nanding Mendez of Fiesta in America. We are here to invite all of you to be part of Fiesta in America on August 13 and 14 at the Meadowlands Expo Center in Secaucus, New Jersey. Len is my vice president. Len?
Kamusta po kayo? Lahat kayo ay imbitado sa Fiesta in America. Napakalaki po nito. It's the biggest indoor expo of its kind for Filipinos and multicultural consumers. Kung kayo ay may negosyo, pwede kayong mag-market ng produkto nyo sa Fiesta in America dahil up to 14,000 ang pupunta rito. Napakalaki market para sa inyo. Nanding?
So, if you are from the Philippines and you have time to visit the United States of America, make sure it's going to be in August 13 and 14 where you can meet the business people and contacts in the United States to expand your market and services and products.
At isa pa ho, sa Friday, August 12, pwede kayo umattend ng People's Ball. Ito po ang companion event ng Fiesta in America. Magkikilala nyo ang movers and shakers of the Filipino community plus mga elected officials ng Jersey City, Secaucus at kanilang mga councilors. Napakahalaga po nitong event na ito para sa inyo. August 12, People's Ball. August 13-14, Fiesta in America sa Secaucus, New Jersey.
Thanks for tuning in with Makilala in Minutes. And don't forget to click to subscribe, follow, and like Makilala TV's YouTube channel to check out other exclusive